Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here. Well, hey buddy, and I am out of here. Screw that.